Nestled away on a secluded coastal site, Robin House stands out from the crowd. Unlike the typical, repetitive spec homes lining the neighborhood, Robin House embraces thoughtful design that pushes boundaries without inflating costs. It's a testament to marrying good design principles with affordability. The house unfolds like a hidden gem, tucked away at the rear of the subdivided site, a short stroll from the pristine sands of empty Martha Beach. The architects envisioned a home that challenged expectations. It's a speculative home, yes, but one infused with personality. Instead of feeling generic, Robin House aspires to wrap its arms around a series of landscaped vignettes, culminating in a central courtyard. This ingenious design bathes the interior in natural light and fosters refreshing cross-ventilation throughout the home. Step inside and you're greeted by a departure from the standard spec home experience. A dramatic gable ceiling graces the living space, while a unique pop-up window with a sculpted reveal adds a touch of whimsy to the main bedroom. Every corner reveals a thoughtful detail, whether it's the curated material choices, the clever way brick is incorporated, or the pops of color in the wet areas. The kitchen itself is a work of art, featuring a striking metal island with a curved form that seamlessly integrates with the stone countertop and splashback. Even the hallway is designed to evoke a sense of intrigue, hinting at the beauty that lies ahead. The arrival experience is equally important. As you navigate the Battle Axe Drive, a sense of anticipation builds. And when Robin House finally appears, it doesn't disappoint. It's designed to make you feel instantly at home, a special place where everyday life unfolds against the backdrop of a stunning coastline. Capturing a specific client brief in a speculative home is a tricky proposition. After all, each buyer brings their own unique desires. Robin House solves this by creating a captivating journey through space, starting from the moment you step through the front door and leading you into the heart of the home. The meticulously chosen materials, the carefully curated color palette, and the recurring curved elements all work together to orchestrate this experience. The result? Robin House transcends the limitations of a typical spec home. It's a boutique haven, a fusion of upmarket style with coastal simplicity and sophistication. Every room is meticulously designed to connect seamlessly with the others, fostering a sense of harmony within and celebrating the relationship between the house itself and its beautiful coastal surroundings. That's a wrap on Robin House. If you're looking for a sign that proves a thoughtfully designed home can be budget-friendly, then this is it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what surprised you most about Robin House, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more architectural explorations.